Okay, here's another job I'm working on. This is a 2003 Volkswagen Passat. It was a repossession from a car lot here in town, and I bought it from them thinking that it wouldn't be too difficult of a repair. What happens on these Volkswagens is that it's essential that you run 100% fully synthetic oil with the correct oil filter. Now on this car, a low-cost oil change place had put some really cheap oil in it, and it had the incorrect oil filter on it. And what that led to was a destruction of the turbo. Okay, and here I have the old turbo disassembled just to see what's broken. And on the shaft of the turbo here, you can see where the exhaust impeller has completely snapped off, and it was laying inside the exhaust housing broken. So pretty bad situation here. Now when I got the car, since I lost oil pressure, it also messed up the cam sequencer and the oil pump. So I replaced the oil pump with a new one from the Volkswagen dealership. The cam sequencer was almost $800 at the Volkswagen dealership. I ordered one online for $150, which is a good quality one, which the seller told me they sell hundreds of them. And then the turbo also was very expensive, approaching $1,000 at the parts store, probably more than that at the dealership. Over here I got a brand new turbocharger that I'm fixing to put on it right now. I just transferred all the stuff over from the old turbo onto this new turbo. You can see the exhaust impeller, it's in there. It's not all laying loose and crooked like it was on the other turbo. Now, usually on a Volkswagen like this, people say, oh, the engine's going to have to be replaced, and that's not the case. I'm going to be able to repair this one. It's running great, okay, right now. With the old turbo, it was just smoking because it was dumping so much oil into the turbo since the shaft was broken. But as soon as I get this new one in there, there shouldn't be any problem with it at all. And you know, this is just an example of some work that I do here at my shop. And if you're interested in getting some work done on your car, you can call me anytime. My name is Mark, and my phone number is area code 806-438-4467. This should be a real good car when it's done. It's just that, you know, nobody wanted to repair this car, but it looks like, honestly, it's going to be a fairly easy, successful repair for me.